Welcome to the Adrianster channel. Today I'm gonna review this Tarmac Toyo tires RWB Porsche 997. So I've already took it off the display case and just show you this base. It's pretty nice. I mean, just hold it because I've unscrewed it. There you go. It looks pretty nice. And I've noticed a little detail here. It's written T64057, so I'm pretty sure that is the code for this specific car. There you go, there it is. The pink ducktail Porsche 997 RWB. Toyo tires. There you go, it's written on the tires. Toyo tires. Kind of expected. Nowhere else except on this windshield banner. Toyo tires. That's it. Those are the only plugs Toyo tires get on this car. Yeah, not even on the back. It's just written Illust on the back. Same for this little area there, Illust. And this rear, what you call it? Rear window is tinted and you can't see through it. You can't see through it. It's so dark. So it's pretty interesting that they've done that. It is so wide. I absolutely love this casting. Again, those chrome tailpipes, which are plastic and not metal, which is a shame, but yeah, pretty nice. This time you have Japan license plates. Very nice. 553. I don't know why 553. They could have put 997, which would have been cooler, but hey, 553 it is. It might have followed a actual car that had this license plate, that's why. But wow, these rims don't. At first, I was a little bit skeptical because white rims, pink color, it's kind of taking away from a Porsche, but it looks good. It genuinely looks good with this overly aggressive look. Very, very, very wide rear fenders that do look good. They do look good, and it works. This color works. I was a bit skeptical. I was like, pink, really? Is this a Barbie car? But no, it genuinely works. This color combination is good. It's genuinely good. The rims I like now. It works. It just everything fits together, and this Porsche logo is very, very, very nice. As we've seen in the previous video, the Fuel Fest one did not have that logo, which is a shame. But hey, this color combination is absolutely fantastic. License plate, everything looks perfect. Genuinely, I'm tempted to rate this higher than the Fuel Fest one, but I am not. This is a 9 out of 10 still, but yeah, it's missing that rolling element, but hey, it's so low on the ground as well. I mean, wow, this looks very, very good. Just to show you how low on the ground it is, you just take this, slap it on. There you go, you can see it's pretty low on the ground. It will scrape everywhere if you play with it, so yeah, it's pretty solid. I like this color. It works well. It genuinely works very well. This ducktail is very nice as well. You have the RWB logo, which is there. This is the only Porsche logo you get, and it's really, really nice because it shines and it genuinely looks like a real Porsche logo. Yeah, this is very, very, very solid casting from Tarmac. I'm very happy they did this on the 997 because, again, I like the 997. And overall, these two are my favorite Tarmac 997s. I don't like the old and new versions, but these are absolutely fantastic. Both 9 out of 10. I love them. And anyway, choose in the comments which one looks better. In my opinion, I'd still give it to the Fuel Fest because those rims just take away everything that's wrong with the front end. I mean, nothing wrong with the front end, but it just looks too dark. Nothing special. this front end pretty nice because you have the license plate, and yeah, it's pink, so you can see more. Overall, this one takes the cake, but only by a small margin because this pink one looks really nice as well. Anyways, let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.